What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Questra. Today, we aren't just coding, we're building a career hack. We're building a fully functional AI resume builder.
Oh my God! Wow!
You enter raw, messy job experience, and we use the Gemini API to rewrite it into ATS-friendly bullet points instantly. Then we save it to the cloud with Firebase and export a professional PDF. We're using Google Gemini Canvas to write the code, Firebase for the database, and InfinityFree to host it for free. The master prompt is linked below. Open that up and let's get to work. Step 1. Grab the master prompt from the description. I've engineered this prompt to force Gemini to include the PDF export logic and the specific Firebase connection script. Copy that text, go to Gemini, make sure you switch the model to Canvas mode. This is crucial for editing. Paste the prompt and hit enter. Gemini is going to scaffold the entire single-page application. While it writes the code, we need to go get our keys. To make this a real SaaS, we need a brain, AI, and memory database. Let's set up the memory first, and pay attention here because we need to enable 3 specific things. Go to console.firebase.google.com and click Create a Project. Name it Resume AI. And turn off Google Analytics. We don't need it for this. Once the project creates, go to Build on the left menu, then select Authentication. Click Get Started. Select Email/password, toggle the Enable switch, and this is important, click Save. Next, go to Build, then Firestore Database. Click Create Database. Choose a location near you, like US Central, and click Next. Then select Start in Test Mode. This is vital. If you don't select Test Mode, your app will be blocked from saving data. Click Create. Finally, click the Project Overview, the gear icon, Project Settings, scroll down to Your Apps, and click the Web icon. Name the app Resume Builder. You don't need to check Firebase hosting. Click Register App. You will see a code block labeled const firebase config. Copy only everything inside the curly brackets, or the whole object. Save that for the next step. Now for the brain, go to aistudio.ai.google.com. Click Get API Key, then click Create API Key in New Project. Copy that long string starting with AZYS. Do not share this key with anyone. Back in Gemini Canvas, the code is written, but it uses placeholder keys. We need to swap them out. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Firebase Configuration. Look for the Firebase Config object, delete the placeholder data, and paste the config you just copied from Firebase. Next, scroll to the top or look for const Gemini API key. Paste your AZYS key inside the quotes. Note, for a real production app, you'd hide this, but for this portfolio project, we're hard coding it. Now, click the Copy Code button at the top of the canvas. Let's push this live. Log in to your InfinityFree account. Go to your account and click Control Panel or Manage. Click Online File Manager. This opens a view that looks like your computer's folders. Open the folder named htdocs. This is the public folder. Warning, you might see a file called index2.html or default. Leave it there, just ignore it. Click the new file icon, paper with a plus. Name it specifically index.html, all lowercase. If you name it anything else, the site won't load. Open that new index.html file, paste the code we copied from Gemini, and hit Save. Give it about 60 seconds to refresh, and boom, your site is live. The master prompt is in the description. Hit like if this helped you build faster, and subscribe to Questra for the next sprint. See you in the next one.